how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, under the How You Use Instagram tab, you will see the option for time management. Tap on the time management option and then go ahead and tap on the sleep mode option you see there and further toggle on the toggle button for sleep mode. Now, go ahead and enter the start time and then enter the end time depending on your preference. Also, choose the days on when you want the sleep mode and when you don't want the sleep mode. And finally, tap on the save button at the bottom. And with this, sleep mode will be enabled. So, this is how you can turn on sleep mode on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.